Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am sharing with you my favorite so far snacks, drinks, desserts, kind of favorite foods, like low point foods on Weight Watchers. So I have a whole bunch of stuff laid out here on the counter. I'm sure I'm missing a bunch. Either I don't have them right now or I haven't tried them yet. So if I have missed anything and you are like, you are missing out, please let me know, because I'm like a month or so into Weight Watchers and I've lost about 6 pounds. So I could be doing better, but I could be doing worse. So we'll go with it. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new here, I typically do like cleaning, organizing, motherhood videos, but I am currently on a weight loss journey and I am currently doing Weight Watchers. So I've been sharing like what I eat in the day and all that kind of stuff. So if that is something you are interested in, I would love for you to subscribe. So I'm just gonna get started. Some of these things I may refer to the app to tell you how many points. Some I know off the back of my hand because I have had them every day or use them a lot. So let's get started. This is like packaged convenient food stuff. So I eat tons of veggies and all that stuff, and all those things are 0 points. Fruits, vegetables, chicken, all that stuff, but this is like fun foods. So let me turn you around and show you everything. So these are my favorites. So you guys know I love my Stoke cold brew coffee. Love, love, love. And this is currently the creamer I am using. I think it is 2 points for 2 tablespoons or for 1 tablespoon, but I do not count my first coffee. If for some reason I have a second coffee, then I will count it, but I use such a little amount that I don't count it. So, but this is 0 points, so if you can drink black coffee, all the more power to you. And then we have the vitamin waters. All the flavors are so good, but this one is by far my favorite, the dragon fruit, and this one's really hard to find in the 0 sugar. So when I do find them, I definitely stock up. They are so, so, so good. Any diet soda, but Diet Coke is my jam. I love it. It's delicious. It's not the best. I try to limit it a little bit because it's obviously not the best for you. Soda by, you know, any kind is not the best for you. So, but these are my favorite drinks, and all of these are 0 points. All right, these are absolutely delicious. The Yasso yogurt bars, the coffee chocolate chip is my favorite, and also the vanilla crunch one. It tastes like a Nestle Crunch bar. This one is 5 points, and I believe the other one is 6 points. But if I just want a little something chocolatey, I have been having these fudgicles. They're the no sugar added. And you can have 2 of them for 2 points, so they're only a point a piece. So I have been loving having these, especially just after dinner or after lunch when I am wanting something a little chocolatey as a yummy treat. Any sort of the 45 calorie bread, the honey whole wheat is my favorite. You can have 2 pieces for 2 points or just 1 point for 1. It is so good, and it definitely doesn't, I don't know, they're not too small, and it is just enough. Sometimes I like to have it with my breakfast in the morning, or a piece of avocado toast, something like that, or even just a sandwich sometimes. So these are so good. I also love the Joseph's pita wraps, but I do not have any more of those. I am all out, and I'm almost out of bread too, so I definitely need to go shopping and restock up on that. Here is my favorite snacky items. I only have this little bit left of low fat or reduced fat wheat thins. They are, you can have 6 of them, but I only had, I think there's 5 in here for 2 points. And then I usually pair it with this light Laughing Cow cheese, which is my favorite, and the kids love this as well, so we fly through these. They are so good, and they are only 1 point for each cube. You can make a sandwich with them, you can put them in pasta, you can put them on crackers, you can do anything like that. They are very versatile, and you can do a lot of stuff with them. I've seen people use them to make buffalo chicken dip and all things like that. So these are so, so, so good, and it definitely a staple if you are doing Weight Watchers. Another good staple is some sort of like yellow corn tortilla chips. They're gluten-free, made with sea salt. I have this one from Aldi, but you can have, let's see, I forget how many. I think it was 10 chips. 10 chips for 4 points. So you could even do, you know, 20 chips, or you could do 15 chips for 6 points. And salsa is 0 points. So that is always a yummy side as well. Another yummy treat is the individual popcorn bags. I found this one. I used to have this all the time. It is so good. It is the lime and salt. It's the Skinny Girl brand. They're little individual bags, and it is 6 points for these. I also have the Smart Pop ones, and I believe that is 5 points for the little individual bag. I have both of them, but I don't have the box to scan, but I just scanned these, and these are 6 points, and that is a lot of popcorn that's in that bag. So definitely a good treat for, I don't know, I like to have this like at night, and I love to have the Skinny Girl popcorn with one of these 0 sugar vitamin waters. It is just so good, and is such a good treat. Another staple is rice cakes. There are so many kinds, there are so many different flavors, and you can definitely replace like your chips. I'm obsessed with chips, so this to me is huge to have this. So the lightly salted rice cakes are only 1 point, so you can have these, put like a teaspoon of peanut butter on them, and it's only a point for the peanut butter. I like to do that. I like to do that also with the chocolate rice cakes with a little bit of peanut butter. These are 3 points, but definitely worth the couple extra points because it is so good. Another favorite is the cheddar rice cakes. Those remind me of, like, you know, what do you call those chips? Like cheese puffs or cheese curls or something like that. It is a very good alternative, and you can have 18 of them for 4 points. So that is a really good snack because I like to snack at night, and I didn't want to get rid of that because I knew if I did and said, oh, I'm not going to snack. I don't eat after 8, but I'm like, if I want to snack after dinner and I say I'm only going to have fruits and vegetables, like I'm going to fail and end up eating something that's not good for me or not in moderation. So having these things for me is huge. So another staple have been these Pirate Booty bags. They're the little individual serve bags, and they are 2 points for these. So I love to have these. I love to bring these to work, and they are so good. I'm obsessed with Pirate Booty. So, and even like a handful of Cheez-Its, something like that, is only like 4 or 5 points. So you don't have to give up your favorite foods. So these are just a few of my staples. All right, and that is it for my Weight Watchers staples as of right now. Like I said, cheese sticks actually is another one that I like to have. It's a good source of protein. They're delicious, they're quick, they're easy, they are so convenient just to grab out of the fridge and take with you. Especially that is like my biggest thing too, because when I'm home I can definitely prep things. I can get a banana or an apple with peanut butter or anything like that. It's weird. So it's obviously easier when I'm home because I can get whatever, but having these things on hand that you can have portioned out, you can have ready to go. I always carry like my little tote bag that has all of my stuff in it, like a little go bag that has like Band-Aids and wipes and anything you could really need. And I always have like a granola bar in there, a phone charger, Band-Aids for the kids, all that. I just toss that in my bag and we're good to go. So obviously like water, I drink tons of water every day, but these were like in addition to those normal things that we do drink all the time and are supposed to drink. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like a part 2, definitely let me know, because I love watching these videos and finding different fun things that I can have that are easy, good for me, that fit into my points for the day, and maybe give me a little extra protein, and that are definitely more convenient, because that is like so important to me, is having like convenience foods, quick, easy, ready to go. It sets me up for success, and I'm not gonna fail and like get takeout and eat Burger King on the way home, as good as that sounds right now. But that is the plan, and it seems to be working. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.